Welcome back to Airport Insider Tips. Today, we have something really special for our senior travelers. Did you know that airlines offer hidden perks for senior travelers that can make your journey more comfortable and affordable? I'm talking about those little extras that can make a big difference, especially when you're on the go. Things like extra assistance with luggage and more comfortable seating options. In today's video, we'll uncover some secret benefits that airlines offer specifically for seniors over 70. These perks are often overlooked, but can be incredibly useful. From discounts to priority boarding, we're going to spill all the tea. Imagine skipping those long lines and getting to your seat faster. These perks can make your travel experience smoother and more enjoyable, so stay tuned. You won't want to miss these tips. All right, let's talk discounts. Who doesn't love saving a little money, right? Many airlines offer special fares for senior travelers. Now, these discounts aren't always advertised, so you gotta be in the know. The best way to find them is to check directly with the airline, either on their website or by giving them a call. Don't be shy about asking. You've earned those years. You deserve a discount. Many airlines offer priority boarding for seniors, so you can skip the wait and settle into your seat before the pre-flight chaos even begins. It's not about cutting, it's about taking it easy and enjoying a stress-free start to your trip. Plus, it gives you more time to get situated and figure out which button reclines your seat. Traveling can be a little more challenging as we get older, but don't worry, airlines are there to lend a helping hand. Most airports and airlines offer assistance for seniors who might need an extra hand with things like getting around the airport, navigating those never-ending hallways, or getting your bags to the gate. Just let the airline know in advance, and they'll make sure you have the assistance you need to make your journey smooth sailing. Let's be honest, sometimes plans change. Many airlines understand that seniors might need a little more flexibility when it comes to booking their flights. They offer special fares with relaxed change and cancellation policies, because who wants to pay a small fortune just to change a flight? Not us. Airplane food. You either love it or you tolerate it. It's a part of the travel experience that can be quite polarizing, but for seniors with dietary restrictions, it can be a real challenge. Navigating the limited options can be stressful, especially on long flights. The good news is that most airlines offer a variety of special meals that cater to specific dietary needs. Whether you're gluten-free, lactose intolerant, or have other specific requirements, or just really love your vegetables, there's usually something for everyone. You can request a special meal in advance, and the airline will do their best to accommodate your request. This ensures you have a meal that meets your dietary needs. Just make sure to call them at least 24 hours before your flight to give them enough time to prepare, because those airplane chefs need a little time to whip up your culinary masterpiece. So, plan ahead and enjoy a stress-free meal in the sky. Let's face it, airplane seats aren't exactly known for their spaciousness, are they? The limited space can be quite uncomfortable, especially on long flights where you need to stretch and move around. But for seniors, having a little extra legroom can make all the difference in the world. It can mean the difference between a painful journey and a pleasant one. Some airlines offer seniors the option to purchase seats with extra legroom at a discounted rate, making it more affordable to travel comfortably, or even provide complimentary upgrades when available. These small gestures can significantly enhance the travel experience for older passengers. Because let's be honest, after a certain age, you deserve to stretch out and enjoy the flight without feeling like you're crammed into a sardine can. Comfort should be a priority, not a luxury. Traveling with a loved one is always more fun, right? But sometimes, the cost of 2 tickets can be a real downer. Some airlines offer companion fares, which means seniors can bring a friend or family member along for a discounted price. It's like a 2-for-1 deal on adventure. So, grab your travel buddy, pack your bags, and get ready to make some memories that will last a lifetime. Listen, you've been racking up those miles for years, flying here, there, and everywhere. Many airlines offer special perks for their senior members, like priority check-in, bonus miles, and even free upgrades. So, dust off those membership cards, folks, and start reaping the rewards of your loyalty. You deserve it. For seniors who require medical equipment, traveling can sometimes feel like navigating an obstacle course. Most airlines allow seniors to bring necessary medical equipment on board free of charge, so you can travel with peace of mind, knowing that your health and well-being are taken care of. Just be sure to contact the airline in advance to confirm their specific policies and make any necessary arrangements. Okay, let's talk travel insurance. The good news is that many insurance companies offer discounts on travel insurance for seniors, so you can protect yourself and your trip without breaking the bank. Because let's face it, unexpected things can happen when you travel, and it's always better to be safe than sorry. Calling all adventure seekers, history buffs, and relaxation enthusiasts. Many travel agencies and cruise lines offer exclusive travel packages designed specifically for seniors. These packages often come with added perks and discounts, making your dream vacation even more affordable. So, whether you're dreaming of exploring ancient ruins, soaking up the sun on a tropical beach, or just escaping the daily grind for a while, there's a senior travel package out there with your name on it. So, there you have it, folks. These are just a few of the hidden benefits that airlines offer to make travel easier and more enjoyable for seniors over 70. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more travel tips and tricks, and don't forget to share it with your friends, family, and that friendly neighborhood senior who's always up for an adventure. Safe travels, everyone!